everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the second part of free Microsoft Azure certification. In this video I will explain you how to schedule Microsoft certification using the exam code voucher. So basically I explained in a previous video for the how to get the free Microsoft Azure certification exam code. So in this section I will explain you how to schedule the exam. Once you receive the exam voucher, then how we can schedule, and along with that I will also explain you the important tips for the exam voucher and the schedulation process. So let's see in this video. So in this video I will go through the schedule exam with coupon code, then important tips for the coupon code and examination, and then at the end of the video I will share you the important link with you. So part 2, schedule exam with coupon code. So friend, in the last section I will explain you the how to get the coupon code for the enrolling for the Microsoft virtual training day, or we can enroll for the skill challenge. So in this section I will explain you schedule exam with the coupon code. Then you can add your voucher or promo code if you available. So in this section I will explain you how to add your promo code or coupon code to get the discount for the examination. The next we can select the payment type and agree and process. So this is the final step. After that you will receive the confirmation mail. The next section I will explain you the detail about the how to schedule exam and how we can use the coupon code for the get the discount in the examination. In this section I will explain you how to schedule the exam. So for that you have to go to the web browser and type there BP900 exam schedule. So basically I am planning for the BP900 examination, which is the Azure Data Fundamental examination. So you will get the first link, you can click on that link. So you will directly redirect to the Microsoft platform. So it will be the certification related information. You can check the detail for that, for the certification. You can come there, you can check like that the certification level, like the beginner level. Then you can check the other things. So that I already explained with you. So I will go through directly for the examination part. So you can check the practice exam available, then take the exam. So in this section, once you come here, so this is the section for the scheduling the exam. If you check the price for this examination, you can check in India. It will be showing 3696 in the Indian rupees. So you can either the two options, schedule exam using the person that use this platform, and the second option is the schedule exam using the certificate. So you can select here schedule exam using the person who use this platform. Click on there, then you will get the new window. This window for the transfer to person who use this platform. So basically in this section we need to enter your address detail, address 1, address 2, city, then we have the state, then we have the country or region, then enter the pin code detail, use here also. After that click on submit. For that you can click on the Microsoft login account, then go to the profile. So you can check the legal name. After that you can check your display name. Along with that you can also check the profile information, URL, display name. Basically this information required for the certification when you complete your certification. So same name appear in a certification part. So you can verify the first, and after that you can process for the schedulation part. So once you confirm the detail, you can come here, then take your exam. So for that we have the three options in a person at a test center, and second one is option is the private access code. So I am selecting the online option. So after that we need to check the system requirement. You can simply click there, and then you can go for the exam language. So I am selecting English. After that provide the additional information. So you just click on the radio button. Then moving next, online exam policies. So basically we need to accept all the policies which provided. So you can read all the detail, and then you can click the third party prohibition. So the exam, this is a different policy for the online examination. So you can basically accept all the policies, and after that you can click on the next. Reschedule policy also. So reschedule policy and cancellation policy, this will I will explain you the in the next slide. Then additional information. So basically this is the important is that you can identification, means when you schedule your exam, at the exam time you need to provide identification as a passport or driving license number. Then find an appointment. So basically you can select the particular time zone. So I am selected Asia Kolkata IST time zone. Then go to the next, select your date. So you can select the date when you plan for the examination. So next one is select the time. So basically for that you can go for the explore more time, and as per my convenience I am taking the morning session. So I selected as a 10:30 a.m. This time. So you can check your checking time will be 10 a.m. So basically we need to earlier, means 30 minutes before. After that use this time and click on next. In the next section is the review and confirmation. So basically whatever detail we submitted, we can just review the detail and confirm this detail. So along with that you can check the price. Now is showing the 3696. So in the next section I will explain you how to the discount for this examination. So next, enter the payment and billing. So basically here you can check the different the payment detail and billing. So subtotal is showing 3696 and the promo code. So basically I am using the ESI account. So you can below you can check the add voucher and promo code. So basically you need to enter the promo code here, and after that you need to apply. So I have already used this promo code, and for the demo purpose, enter your promo code or whatever the exam code you can enter, and after that you can apply. So you will get the discount for that. Once you apply the promo code, the whatever the eligibility, for example if you eligible for the 50%, then 50% discount, the 100% the amount will be deducted. So the next option is the payment type. So basically the three payment type is available. So out of that you can select particular payment type. So I am selecting the Visa. Then the billing information. Basically we need to check the billing information, for example your address, then your name. After that you need to check your first name, last name, and then address, and after that contact detail, and after that you need to confirm the detail. Once you review the contact detail and email ID, then click on the next. So basically you almost there. So you can check the detail of the examination. Then here you can check if you are eligible for the 50% discount, the amount will be deducted from the subtotal, and the remaining amount show with you. So in your case, if you eligible for the 100% discount, so a 00 amount will show you. So the next section, if you eligible for the any payment, then this window will appear, otherwise you will directly the examination. So the next section I will show you the email that receive after the successful confirmation. Basically candidate name, then MS ID, registration ID, date, time, and along with that the system text. So basically before the appear the exam, we need to test your system. Then next, so you will also receive the bill copy. So in that bill copy I will show you the when I schedule my exam with 100% discount, that time I will get the 100% discount and my total amount will be 00. So in this section, I will explain you important tips for the coupon code and exam schedulation process. So first tip is that use same email ID for the registration for the any training program and examination. So friends, it is important to that you can use the same email ID for the registration of any training program and the same mail ID you can use for the examination. So your coupon code validate with only same email ID. So second tip, check the receive coupon code validity before the expiration. Schedule the exam. So basically when you receive any coupon code with having the expiration date as well, so we can schedule the exam before the expiring the that. Tip number 3, don't schedule exam at the end of the coupon expiration day. Maybe exam slot not available for that day. So friends, if for example I am scheduling the exam on 2nd and my coupon expire on the 3rd day, so basically when you schedule the exam at that time, there is a no time availability, so your prepared time not available. So you can schedule the exam at least 15 day before, or you can take the time difference in a 1 week. So tip number 4, before schedule exam, check the Microsoft Learn profile or personal Microsoft account MSA. So you can confirm your name, display name and legal name. So friends, it is important to that you can check the display name, because of this display name appear in your certification part as well. So before schedule the exam, you can check the display name, after that your legal name, basically first name and last name. So this important when you appear for the exam, that time you need to provide your identity proof. So in that identity proof, you first name and last name it will also match. So tip number 5, reschedule and cancellation policy. So basically be sure that reschedule or cancel exam appointment at least 24 hours before. Reschedule the exam and cancel any examination, then you can at least take the 24 hours before. So for that I have given the link for you. So basically you need to go for the your Microsoft profile and you can check the credential. Under that you can check the upcoming appointment. So tip number 6, visit exam register policy. So basically this is a registration policy for the certification. So when you appear for the when you schedule any exam, then before that you can check the policy for the certification, whatever the policy, whatever the requirement. For example, you can follow this link, then reschedule and cancellation policy you can refer this link, then Microsoft Azure fundamental related the detail you can check this link, then Microsoft virtual training day program. So for that you can refer this link. So thank you friends for watching this video. If you like the video, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thank you again and wish you happy learning.